Today I'm showing you how to test if your rotary encoder is broken or not using an oscilloscope. And although I don't have much of a clue how to use a scope, I managed to find out that one of the channels of this rotary encoder is not working, the one with the white cable. You need to provide 5 volts to those encoders on the red cable and put all the black wires to ground. And then you have the 2 channels, the green one and the white one, green and white cable, that are channel A and B. Those 2 cables you have to hook up to your oscilloscope, one to the channel 1 and the other one to the channel 2 of the scope. Here you see again the table, and provide then 5 volts to this rotary encoder. If you fire up your scope, you try to have 2 steady lines on the screen that represent the 2 channels. And if you start turning your shaft of the rotary encoders, those steady lines should be changing to those step up and down signals that you typically know from those rotary encoders. Try to manipulate the amplitude of the scope until you see at least any effect. Here you can see the upper line is the broken channel, but the down line is the channel that is actually working. And just turning wildly the shaft, and you see there are this is the nice signal. So one channel is working perfectly. Now I switched channels to check if I have any misconnection, and it turns out now the other channel shows the signal. So actually one of the rotary encoder channels is really broken.